2018 Chevrolet Equinox. Fuel efficiency, safety, and value equals the Chevy Equinox. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: OnStar, keyless entry, power driver's seat, traction control, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, center armrest, side airbag, power door locks, power windows, center console, daytime running lights, power mirrors, rear view camera, tilt steering wheel, power outlets, vanity mirrors, heated mirrors. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.